In the heart of Southeast Asia lies a land of mystique and wonder, where stories of gods, heroes, and mythical creatures have been woven into the fabric of culture for centuries. Welcome to Thailand, the realm of rich and vibrant mythology. Thai mythology, deeply influenced by Hinduism, Buddhism, and ancient animistic beliefs, is a tapestry of captivating tales. These stories are not just entertainment, they are the echoes of Thailand's soul, guiding morality, spirituality, and cultural identity. Among the most celebrated epics is the Ramakien, Thailand's version of the Indian Ramayana. It narrates the struggle of the hero, Ram, to rescue his wife, Sita, from the demon king, Thotsakan.
The Ramakien is not just a mythological epic, it's a cornerstone of Thai culture. Originally derived from the Indian Ramayana, the Ramakien has been uniquely adapted to reflect Thai society and values. It's more than a story, it's a moral and spiritual guide that has shaped Thai art, dance, theater, and even architecture. The Ramakien's influence is seen in many aspects of contemporary Thai life. The epic's themes of duty, loyalty, and the struggle between good and evil resonate deeply in our social and spiritual consciousness. For instance, Thai classical dance and drama extensively portray scenes from the Ramakien, keeping the epic alive in our cultural practices. Furthermore, its characters and stories are often used in educational settings to impart moral lessons and cultural heritage to the younger generation. To truly grasp the essence of Thai culture, one must understand the Ramakien. It encapsulates key aspects of Thai philosophy and worldview. The characters, from the virtuous hero Ram to the demon king Thotsakan, represent various facets of human nature and ethics. The epic also shows the synthesis of Hindu and Buddhist elements, which is central to the Thai religious and cultural identity.
Thai myths are inhabited by a fascinating array of creatures. The Naga, a serpent-like being, is revered and feared, often associated with water and fertility. The Garuda, a bird-like creature, symbolizes power and speed. These myths transcend time, infusing daily life with a sense of the divine. Festivals, rituals, and even architectural designs are steeped in mythical symbolism, connecting the spiritual with the mundane.
Thai mythology isn't just a relic of the past, it's a living, breathing part of everyday life in Thailand. From festivals and rituals to art and architecture, these myths play a significant role. Let's take Thai festivals, for instance. Many, like the Loi Krathong, are deeply rooted in mythological stories and beliefs. This festival, with its floating baskets, symbolizes the release of negativity, a concept that resonates with the spiritual undertones of our myths. Similarly, the annual Phai Ta Khon festival is a vibrant blend of Buddhist and local folklore, where participants wear ghost masks, celebrating and invoking spirits from our mythological tales. Thai art and architecture are richly imbued with mythological symbolism. The grand temples and statues of deities reflect a confluence of Hindu and Buddhist mythology. The mythical Garuda, Naga, and scenes from the Ramakien are commonly depicted in murals, sculptures, and temple designs, providing not just decoration but also conveying spiritual and moral messages. Mythology is a powerful tool for cultural continuity. It's a way of preserving heritage and imparting values. By engaging with these myths, whether through celebrations, art, or storytelling, Thais remain connected to their roots. It's a form of cultural expression that reinforces identity and community bonds in a rapidly changing world.
Thai mythology, with its rich tapestry of tales and characters, continues to enchant and inspire. It's a world where every story holds a universe of meanings, inviting us to explore deeper into the heart of Thailand. Join us in our next journey as we unravel more mysteries and tales from around the globe. Until then, keep wondering and wandering in the realms of myths and legends.
チャンネル登録 よろしくお願いします。